Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone is disabled connect to iTunes without iTunes or computer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. So let's get started. The first thing is make sure that you are either connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you need to have another phone. You can use your friend's phone or any alternative phone. Here's the phone. What you have to do is you have to go to Safari. Then go to iCloud.com. Then sign into the Apple ID used in the disabled iPhone. Then go for it into the respective password. Then go for sign in. Now they'll be asking for a two-factor authentication. If you have used the same Apple ID in different iPhone, iPad, or any Apple device, you'll be getting code and other iOS devices. If it's not available, you can tap on Did Not Get a Verification Code. You'll get more options to receive text message with a code to your phone number given in the iCloud account. Before tapping on Text Me, if the SIM card is in disabled iPhone, you can remove the SIM card from disabled iPhone to another phone to see the code. Now tap on Text Me. Give the code and proceed. Don't for trust. Then tap on Find iPhone. Okay, here are the devices. Now select the disabled iPhone from the list. From here, you will be able to see an option called Erase iPhone. Tap on that. Go for Continue. Re-enter the password of iCloud account. Once again, you have to do the two-factor authentication. Go for Next. Go for Done. As you can see that, we will be getting a message. The race started. And as you can see that it is all done. Let's keep this phone aside. And set up the iPhone. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Give the respective Apple ID and password previously used in this iPhone. Go for Next. You can go for Restore if you have the backup, or else you can go for Don't transfer apps and data. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.